Pupunta kami sa Belfast ngayon kasi ang ni Nurse Eben mamayang 4. So, paalis pa lang kami. Kain guys! Everyone! We're here now in Crown Plaza, Belfast. So, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our room. So, this is the bathroom. And it has a walk-in shower. And then, this is the cabinet. Cabinet? Ayan. It's nice. It's big one. There's another one here where you will see the safe, bolt safe. And then I think this is the hair dryer. Sleepers there. And then that's the door. And then this is their coffee bar. Fridge, which is empty. Ay! Huh? You have wine there. And then this is our bed. It's a king bed, love, yeah?
Yeah.
For sure, that's a king bed there. And then couches. And then there's a big mirror here. A vanity mirror. It's like a big vanity mirror there. And then that's the TV. And then that's our things here. This is what I miss, guys. Every time we're booking a hotel or staying in a hotel, I really want this kind of space. Apologize for my English, guys, but because my husband is watching my vlog, so I should speak in English. Not most of the time I'm going to speak in English, maybe Taglish. So bear with me. If my English is not good for you, then skip it. So I'm going to try this one, guys. The Walker's Delicious Salted Caramel Biscuits. This is my first time trying the Walker's Biscuit Caramel because most of the time they have the Walker's, which is the plain one only. I think the wrapper's color red. So I'm gonna try this one. And I'm a bit hungry, so we don't know yet if we're going to eat or maybe later. But because we already ate earlier when we passed by on the garage on way here to Belfast. But let's see. And I didn't have coffee yet as well, so that's why I don't have energy. I might have coffee later before I go to Nurse Eben. Nurse Eben! I'm coming for you.
Okay, so a job opportunity, kaya ka lumipat dito. How are you coping up? Pinagbago ka dito sa Filipina,
Yes.
How long have you been married?
1 year.
Where is the lucky bride? O ngayon, nagtatago ka man. Ayan, ito po ay katuwaan lang. Wala po personalan. Comedy show po ito. Wag po natin dinadamdam ang mga sasabihin. Okay, we listen, but we don't.
John!
Perfect. Simulan natin kay Ma'am Ganda. Halika dito sa harap.
Hi, Michael! My name is Nurse Evan. I know you're not familiar with me, but I wish you good health, happiness, and always take care of
Lars.
Lars. I'm glad that Lars enjoyed the show, and you
Yeah,
always
I
take care of
did.
Lars. Okay,
Thank
pretty
you so
check and run.
Thank you.
I love you. I love you.
Hi everyone! We're home na and bago kami pala dumiretso dito sa bahay kanina, pumunta muna kami dun sa kabila para i-pick up yung Yes Style package ko na dumating kahapon. And namili din ako guys ng, papakita ko sa inyo. Namili din ako ng Filipino food. Actually, on our way lang din naman to. Nakapag-chat na ako dito kay Pinoy Belfast para i-pick up to, and nung tinignan namin yung address is same lang din siya nung way na lalabasan namin to Derry from Belfast. So, ang nakuha ko guys, binayaran ko na to, Biscocho, Telemundo na garlic and chili corned beef. Meron tayo ditong nagugutom ako. Danggit, ayan. Meron tayo ditong tuyo. Meron tayo ditong salted egg. And meron tayo dito guys nung chorizo de Cebu. Ayan. Nakakagutom, diba? Pero anyways, yun nga guys. Hindi talaga ako makakapagsalita ng straight na English. Yung asawa ko talaga mag-a-adjust sa akin. Taglish talaga siguro pwede pa. Pero pure English, the whole vlog, I don't think I can do that. Ito guys, yung sa Amazon. Buksan na natin. Oh, yung insole ko guys para sa sapatos ko, yung ginagamit kong pang work. So gel siya, gel type siya guys. So kailangan ko talaga ng insole. Ayoko nang bumili ng shoes kung hindi naman siya palagi nagagamit. Since pumapasok lang naman ako sa work twice a week, so I don't need to buy a new one. And oh, yung filtered shower head. Ayan guys, namili akong dalawa para sa bathroom ko and bathroom ni Mister. Ayan. Kung ano yung patakaran ng Ryanair, kung ano yung size ng nila, ng luggage nila. Ay, ang ganda! Ay, ang cute! Ayan siya guys, so dual purpose. Ayan siya. Ang ganda! Ayan oh. Well, makikita nyo naman to pagka nag-travel na kami. And then, I have here ng yung set ng container ng shampoo, conditioner, facial wash. Ayan, and then may label na rin siya guys. This is a good essentials for travel. Ang parcel, pagka malaki yung box, tinatanggal niya na talaga. Ayaw niyang nakikita dyan sa landing namin. Oh, I have here the travel essentials, yung get ready to travel guys, yung mga lagayan ng undies, ng towels, ayan ang dami niya. Ng socks. Yung sa shoes, hindi ko alam kung ilan yung pair niya. Oh, may isa siya for shoes guys, ayan, ang ganda ng color. Tapos ang dami niyang bags, ang dami kong malalagay dito. Ayan. Ang dami guys, gray color. Namili ako ng screen cleaner. Ayan guys, panglinis ng phone, ng TV, ng screen, ng laptop, kailangan talaga namin. And namili rin ako ng 512 GB na SanDisk Ultra memory card. This is for my other camera guys. Ayan. Na guys, yung sa Yes Style. Ayan. Ito na siya. Ayan. Isa-isahin natin to guys kasi yung items dito may kasama yung sa aking merong kasama dito na para sa asawa ko. So namili ako nitong Lip It. Parang to guys, everyday sun balm. So kailangan natin to pag kahit na sobrang init, protected pa rin yung lips natin. So, namili akong dalawa. Tig-isa kami ng husband ko. Ito yung sunscreen ng Beauty of Joseon. Ayan. Dalawa. Tapos may kasama siyang free. Yung isa kong free, hindi ko pa nagagamit. And then, namili din ako ng hyaluronic acid collagen eye patch. This is for my husband, guys. Ayan siya. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Tatlo na yung binili ko. Ayan siya. And then, I will try this one, guys. The Tear Mask Fit Red Cushion. Ayan. Hindi ko alam. Natural Beige, 29N. Meron din ako dito nung K-Secret na Soul 1988. It's a retinal lip balm plus fermented bean. I'll try this one and then I will try also with my husband kung effective ba siya under eye. I have here also the Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask. Ayan. Yan, this one guys, I will bring this pag nag-travel kami kasi 11 days kami doon and medyo mainit. So, kailangan ko talaga mag-skincare, guys. And I do have here the Matte Sunstick Mugwort plus Camellia. Camellia. Here you go, guys. Ayan. Murang-mura. Mura. Mas mapapamura ako, guys, pagka nag-order ako sa YesStyle kaysa mamili ako sa mga Korean store dito. Sobrang mahal. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Diba? Yun lang ang ating haul. And then, prepare na ako ng dinner. Everyone, magluluto tayo ng steak for tonight's dinner. Steak kay husband. And then sa akin is steak salad with a lobster soup bisque. Basta yun. Mata ko sa inyo. So, ayan yung lobster soup bisque. And then, ito yung pepper sauce. Pinapainit ko lang. And then, ito na yung natin. Pan grill natin for the steak. Kain for dinner. It's my salad. That's my husband's food. Oh my god. That's not udot, guys. That's my chair.